Hi everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about what is the syllabus in the BBM third semester. Bachelor of Business Management CBCS syllabus as per CBCS scheme of the Gulbarga University Kalburgi. In BBM third semester you will be having the paper code AECC 3A. The subject name is Kannada or Hindi. It is for 100 marks, external 80 and internal 20. Similarly, AECC 3B subject is of English 3. Again, it is for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internal. Similarly, AECC 3C, that is disaster management, and this disaster management is for 50 marks, 40 external and 10 internal. And then you will be having a discipline specific course subject DSC 9, that is financial management for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internal. DSC 10 production operation management for 100 marks, and DSC 11 corporate accounting for 100 marks, and DSC 12 for fundamental of costing for 100 marks. Then we have DSC 9 financial management. In the financial management we have 5 module. The first module is introduction. In the introduction you will understand what is financial management, the meaning of financial management, financial goals, profit versus wealth, maximization, financial functions and financial planning. In second module is on capital structure. In capital structure, financing decision, financial and operating leverages, capital structure theories, capital structure planning and policies. In the third module is on capital budgeting. In this module, you will learn the analysis of capital budgeting decision, significance, capital budgeting process, investment evaluation criteria, payback period, rate of return method, net present value method, IRR method, and profitability index, risk analysis in capital budgeting. So these concepts you are going to study in the capital budgeting module 3. In module 4 is on working capital management. In this module you will learn the management of working capital, nature of working capital, significance of working capital, operating cycle, factors determining working capital requirements, management of working capital, cash and receivable and inventories. So these concepts will learn in working capital management. Module 4. Module 5 is on dividend decisions, and you will learn the dividend decisions, dividend theories, dividend policy, factor influencing the dividend policy. Okay, so these are all the 5 units available under the financial management, and recommended books are Financial Management Text and Problems by M.Y. Khan and P.K. Jain, Essential of Financial Management by I.M. Pandey. Okay, and other recommended books are there for the financial management. The next subject is DSC 10, that is Production and Operations Management. Again you will be having 5 modules. The first module on production system. You will understand the production system, models of production system, product versus service process, focus and product focused system, product strategies, product life cycle, production function, production forecasting and methods. In second module, it is on facilities planning, site location, facilities, layout, various types of plannings using craft workplace design, working conditions, noise, illuminations. The third module on motion study. the principle of motion study, economy, time study, standard time, production planning and control, aggregate planning, sequence line balancing, flow control, dispatching, expanding, Gantt chart, line of balance, learning curve. So these concepts will learn under the motion study. The fourth module on project management. So you will understand what is project management, network scheduling, PERT, critical path, most likely the time estimate, resource leveling, etc. The fifth module on modern trends in manufacturing. The basic concept of CAD, CAM and FMS, CIM, ISO, quality circle, Kaizen, Kanban, poke, yoke, supply chain management, etc. So these 5 units belong to production and operations management. The recommended books are Production System Planning, Analysis and Control by Riggs, Zeti and others. Okay. The next is DSC 11, that is corporate accounting. The first module on share capital of company. Company and company shares, the kind of shares, the features of the share capital of company, issues of shares, and you will understand the SEBI and SEBI guidelines, new share issue procedures, share payback by installment at par, at discount, at premium, calls in arrears, call in advances, etc. The second module on bonus and right shares. You will come to know the introduction and the meaning on the bonus and right shares, the objectives, merit and demerits of bonus shares, SEBI guidelines for issuing of bonus shares, right issue meaning and the difference between right issue and public issue, stock split, comparison of bonus share and stock split, payback of shares, mode of buyback. So these concepts under bonus and right shares. The third module on valuation of goodwill. So the meaning of the valuation of goodwill and circumstances of valuation of goodwill, factors influencing on the valuation of goodwill, the method of valuation of goodwill, average profit, super profit, annuity method, capitalization of average profit method, capitalization of super profit method. So these concepts under valuation of goodwill. The fourth module on issue of redemption of debentures, the meaning, features of debentures, factors to be considered for issue of debentures, SEBI guidelines for issuing debt instruments, issue and redemptions and other related topics. The fifth module on company account, the preparation of final accounts of joint stock company, profit prior, holding company accounts, etc. So recommended books of A. Mukherjee and M. Hanif and S.N. Maheshwari and others. The DSC 12 Fundamental of Costing. The first module on introduction of the fundamental costing and nature of the costing accounting and cost principle, cost concept and classifications, method and techniques of fundamental of costing. The second module on element of costing. Element of costing, material management and the meaning of material and classification, function of purpose department, stock level, material pricing, FIFO, LIFO, SAP, WAP only. Module 3, that is on labor. So you will understand the labor and the meaning of the labor, direct and indirect labor, labor cost control, method of wages payment. The fourth module on overheads. Overhead introduction, the classification, departmentalization, absorption of overheads, determination of overhead rates, under and over observations and its treatments. Module 5th, methods of costing. The methods of costing: output costing, job costing, contract costing, process costing, operation costing, activity based costing, target costing. So these concepts under the 5th module. And recommended books are Cost Accounting by I.M. Pandey, M.N. Arora and others. So this is the syllabus for the BBM third semester. So kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.